my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox error code 286. Your device does not have enough memory to run this experience. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting this type of error and the error code is 286, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your Roblox app is up to date or not. For that, just open your Play Store, then search for the Roblox. If it is not up to date, just tap on the update, then go back and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the second method. Just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. Just tap on the app management, tap on the app list, and search for the Roblox. Just tap on the force stop. Again, you have to tap on the force stop. You can see storage usage. Just tap on this. Just tap on the clear cache and just tap on the clear data. Before clicking OK, you have to make sure that you had remembered your Roblox account username and password. If you had remembered your username and password, just tap on the OK. After that, then go back and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try this third method. Open your Roblox. Guys, just tap on the bottom three dot. You have to scroll down a little bit. You can see a logout. Just tap on the logout. Again, you have to tap on the logout. After that, just relog in your Roblox account. And the fourth method is just uninstall and reinstall Roblox app. Just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. Just tap on the app management. Just tap on the app list. Then search for the Roblox. Just tap on the uninstall and tap on the OK. After that, your Roblox app will be removed from your Android mobile. Then try to reinstall it from your Play Store. After install, check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the last and final method. Just open your Play Store and try to download any VPN app from this Google Play Store and try to connect from any other location. Hopefully this will fix your issue. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox error code 286. Your device does not have enough memory to run this experience. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.